Hey everybody, and welcome back to my live video here on Instagram. And for those out there that do not know me, my name is Alicia and I'm a special events professional. I first got my feet started in the industry working as a media and catering coordinator to now working as a special events professional at a nationally accredited college. So today, and I also have a degree in hospitality. And today we're going to be talking about how to save money on your wedding china, because I know it is expensive to rent like real china place, but you still want that nice, elegant look to your tables, and you want to have the nice, high quality china for your wedding. So today's presentation, I'm going to be showing you how to still achieve that elegant look that you're looking for, but without the rental of fine china or wedding china, if you want to call it that. So there's two places that I would recommend that you go, and one of the places is efavormart.com. You can click the link right in my bio and go ahead and purchase any of your wedding or event needs through that link. That is my affiliate link, but I highly recommend that website. I shop there personally for my upcoming events and stuff. I've gotten tablecloths from there, chair covers, runners, hard plastic plates, stuff that I'm going to be talking about today. I've got in from this website. That's my first go-to website. That's my number one website to go to before Amazon. So stay tuned and let's jump right into it. So I'm just going to show you. Well, this is at my job. If you are looking for some china but can't afford to rent some, then make sure that you go ahead to like efavormart.com or amazon.com and type in hard disposable plastic and some. If you are looking for, so that's one place to go to get. Again, I'm just showing you like the quality of it, because that's actually at my job and we use that a lot. We call it, my boss calls it the extraordinaire silverware. So that's just like the more fancier looking cutlery without the expense, and it still looks nice at the table. It still looks nice whenever you use it. And a lot of guests, even when I had my baby shower or even my children's party, that's the thing I turned to, was hard plastic, because it gives a nice look. The plates are more sturdier and it just overall looks very nice. It mimics real china actually, so that's why I absolutely love it. And then is no washing dishes afterwards, is none of that. And a lot of guests, honestly, they were like, especially if they took plates to go, they were like, I'm probably gonna keep this plate because it washes good, and they can just reuse it over again because it's such great quality. And that means that my money is going much further, because they refuse to throw away the plate because it just mimics the real plate so good and it washes good. So now my money is being made over and over and over again, because now they're recycling the plastic plate. I don't think that they're going to do that with the china, but I know for the plate, they reuse it and reuse it and reuse it and reuse it and reuse it over again. So let me just show you some more stuff. So this is on Amazon.com. As you see, Amazon has more quantity, especially depending on the size of your wedding or event. So at the top there, you see it has 40 guest silver plate plastic plates. So it's the whole thing. So you're getting your salad plates, or you can use it as dessert plates. You're getting bigger plates too, and plus the silverware. So if you do like a nice place setting with those plates, it's going to look really nice, really elegant. And again, it's going to mimic the real deal. And also at the bottom, if you have a bigger quantity, a bigger wedding, you see that they have 350 pieces. So it comes with the plastic plates, the silverware, the cups, the dinner plates. So it comes with everything. The only thing that you'll have to just buy is the cutlery. I don't think that with that package down there, it comes with that. I could be wrong, but that's what you want to do. And this is much cheaper to just buy it in bulk like this versus renting per plate. So, and again, it still mimics and gives you that real live plate look, and that elegant look, and it's not tacky at all. It just really gives it a real authentic China look. And guests can throw the plate away afterwards, or again, they can take food home with it and reuse the plate over and over and over again. Or even the china, some people do stuff. Or even if you have a lot left over, you can save it just in case you have guests over for the holidays. And obviously you want to lessen all the dishes afterwards, after you cook and stuff. So these plates are great quality. They give you a nice authentic look. You don't have to wash dishes afterwards. What more can I say? Like, it is something that we use a lot in my department at my college I work at, and everybody loves it. I love it. Again, I use it all the time for personal events. So this is just something. This is a great alternative way, especially if you cannot afford to rent china. And I know china is very expensive. In my college that I work in the catering department, the special events department, we don't rent china like that often, unless it is a extremely important function. All of our functions are important, but I mean, if it has something to do with like the president of the college, and or she wants to host like some sort of event where she wants real china and stuff, then of course we do that. But for the most part, we use these, again, extraordinaire, but they're really called hard plastic plates, or elegant plastic wedding plates. So you, again, just type in on efavormart.com hard plastic plates, type in on amazon.com hard plastic wedding plates or something like that, and see what pops up. And again, these plates come in different designs. They come in different trim and borders and different colors and different either silver, gold, and I've even seen a gold fork on one of these websites that has like a nice, like elegant, like design at the bottom where it really mimics a nice gold fork. So I'm going to show you this on efavormart.com. And as you see, efavormart.com is also a wholesale site, but that is open to the public. And they have amazing deals. The shipping is great. The quality of everything that I've gotten, it was great. It comes nicely packaged. The communication is great. 'Cause I remember one time I was ordering chair covers, and it was back stocked, and they let me know when it was going to be back in. So then they immediately shipped it out as soon as they got back in. So I highly, again, recommend efavormart.com. And again, you can click the link right in my bio to go ahead and purchase your wedding event needs. They have backdrop stands. They have everything that you could possibly need for your wedding or event on efavormart.com. So I'm going to show you one last plate and silverware cutlery right here. So again, you see like the very nice quality silver and gold plate at the bottom. Again, the table setting looks perfect. You can't really tell that it's plastic. It mimics real. And what you could also do is get a nice fine high quality napkin and put one right in the center of the plate, and then you can make menus on canva.com, and drop a comment below if you want to know how to make a nice menu, and it's going to really set it off. Nobody at your table will not know that it is plastic that they're about to eat off of, unless they feel it or ask you, straight up if it is plastic that they're eating off of. But if you can really pull off this inexpensive look and make it look expensive without the huge cost, and you can definitely do that. Like they showed you the picture right there. So if you was to get you a nice high graded napkin to put right in the middle, and a nice menu to put right there, you have a nice elegant table setting. People probably would think that you've actually hired a designer. Nope, you did it yourself. And you just, you looked at some pictures or whatever and came up with that look. But you don't have to spend a ton of money on your wedding. You can make your wedding look very expensive without the actual cost of everything that you see on Pinterest or with other people's wedding, you can slash those prices in half only if you know how to do so. So if you enjoyed this presentation today, definitely go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what other videos that you would like to see. And again, I'm going to be coming on live hopefully every day. I'm going to try to come on here every day and just give you guys more insight on how to make your wedding not expensive, because the average wedding in America is $30,000. I, again, am a special events professional, and I cannot even understand how it gets that high. Like, a lot of people don't even make $30,000 in a year, and if you do make $30,000 a year, that is your whole yearly salary that you're spending on one day. I don't understand it. And if I was to ever get married, I wouldn't be spending that. Like, if you were to walk into my wedding, you would think that I spent that much, and I didn't spend nowhere near it. I didn't spend nowhere near it. But this is a first step right here, getting your table setting down packed before you can really move on. Like, again, you don't have to spend $30,000 for your wedding. You just have to know how to do it without paying full price, without other people telling you, do this, buy this, get this. And it's a lot of just, or even your mindset too. A lot of people have that, oh, it's my wedding mindset. And next thing you know, they're in the red. And next thing you know, even after the wedding, they're still paying for the wedding. You don't do that. Wedding is for one day. You should not be paying for your wedding after your wedding, years down the line, months down the line. That's backwards over here. We don't do that over here. We pay at the time. So again, I will be getting my nice china from here. Okay, I'm not renting china, because that's creating more work for myself after the wedding. Especially if I'm going to be doing stuff myself, do it yourself, DIY. I am not paying to rent china. I'm not creating that extra work for myself, because I already got to break down my wedding. So I'm not going to try to pack up these plates. And some places want you to wash the plates. So now you have to think about how you're going to wash all these plates that were just used, and how you're going to get these plates off the table. It's just a lot of work. To deal with real china. So, and especially if you're a DIY, you can't afford a professional. So you need to try to figure out how can you not create so much work for yourself after the actual wedding is done. After you're trying to enjoy yourself, but you can't, because you are still worried about, oh my gosh, I have to clean up, or my cleanup crew, they're starting to, get frustrated and stuff like that. So getting these nice hard plastic plates is going to save you. It's going to decrease your stress, because now you don't have to worry about washing no dishes afterwards, or packing up dirty dishes. Because I know some companies say, well, wash them, just pack them up. So now you got to store and get those dirty plates and cutlery and cups and all that stuff off the table. Then you still have to take off your tablecloth. Then you have to remove your centerpiece, so you have a lot of stuff to do, especially if you're going to be breaking down yourself, or even if you have recruited some family or friends to help you on a cleanup crew. Don't create more work for yourself. Trust me, I do this every day. I do this, especially before COVID hit. We used to use real china after certain fancy events. And we always had one person constantly washing dishes and another person packing up the dishes. Okay, so it's manual labor, especially if you have to wash them. It's manual labor to have to pack them up, and then you still have to find somebody or a couple people to move them to wherever the rental company wants them to. So now you're recruiting at least 4 people just for the real dishes alone. Don't stress yourself out even more than what you already are. Go ahead. Get these hard plastic plates. Save your time. When the guests are done, let them throw it away. Let them take their leftovers, because now they're taking their plate to go. 2 plates to go. And all you have to do is just pack up the remaining plates, knives, forks, spoons, and stuff like that. And again, I just said you can pack that up and save it for your holidays. Save it for the holidays, or maybe you know somebody that's having another event, and you could say, hey, do you want these extra plates that I have? I have like a few extra plates that you can have, and you can use, for your wedding, baby shower, whatever. So now you're passing it along, or you're saving more money, because now when you do host something at your house, you do not have to worry about buying some more plates and stuff like that. All you have to focus on is your home, cooking, and a great vibe, because now you don't have to worry about no dishes being done. You don't have to worry about washing and putting away no dishes. None of that, because it's already done, because it's disposable. There's nothing wrong with hard plastic disposable plates or cutlery. It is not tacky. Again, it is nice, elegant, as you see at the picture below. That's the nice table setting. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure that you follow if you're not following. Make sure that you go ahead and again click the link in the bio and go ahead and hit that efavoritemart.com button and find you some nice hard plastic plates and stuff. And if you want to learn how to save more money, there's a button if you click the link in my bio, the wedding button. So tap that, and there's going to be a course on how to budget friendly shop for your wedding or event. So go ahead and enroll in that little mini course. Any courses that I have are mini. I know that you guys just want the information. Take the information, jot down some notes, and be on your merry way. But it's very informational. Again, I am a special events professional. My name is Alicia, and look forward to me coming on every day or a couple times a week, giving you some helpful tips to slash your wedding cost in half. So I hope that you all enjoyed this presentation. Make sure that you follow and like this and leave a comment on other videos that you would like me to do, so you can save money on your wedding or your event, and I will be more happy to give you that information. So again, see you guys tomorrow more than likely, and make sure that you go ahead and buy those hard plastic plates.